we have got a common issue that many of us have experienced while using Adobe Premiere Pro. So, let's fix it today. Open up your Premiere Pro, then go to the Edit. After that, click on the Preferences and then choose General. So, in this panel, you have to click on the Media Cache and here you will see this Delete button. Just simply click on it. Remember, the first one should be selected. Hit OK then. Now all you have to do, save your project, close the Adobe Premiere Pro. After that, open your project again. Then here you have to go to the Export, and here I will suggest you to completely change the saving location and rename it. Then simply click on the Export button. So let's see how it works. If this trick worked for you, kindly like the video and drop a comment that it worked. If not, you can message me on Instagram. I will help you in that. So finally, the export is done. So guys, for now, kindly like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.